my name is Claire, and I'm going to be an improper fraction for Halloween this year.
Silly girl, just how can you dress up as an improper fraction?
I don't know, but that's what I will be. Yes, I will, because I love playing with fractions.
Well, good luck.
Today, I'm going to tell you what I know about improper fractions. I'm really good at changing mixed numbers to improper fractions, so I'll show you. This is a mixed number. A mixed number is when you have a whole number and a fraction part to represent a number that is greater than one whole. This number is 1 2/3. This is an improper fraction. An improper fraction is when the numerator is the same as or greater than the denominator. Here, 8/3 is greater than one whole. Let's go over how to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. Let's take a look at the mixed number 1 3/4. To first convert this into an improper fraction, I have to take a look at my whole number and show that as an improper fraction. Now remember, our denominator is our naming part, so the naming part is going to stay the same. So if I wanted to show one whole as an improper fraction, I know that it's going to be out of 4 because my name's going to stay the same, and it would be 4/4. 4/4 is the same as one whole. So it's 4/4 plus 3/4 because I have one whole and 3/4. Now when I add them together, I'm going to add together my numerators because my numerators are my number part. Those are the ones that we add together. Now my naming part, or my denominator, stays the same. So my denominator will remain 4. So 7/4 is how you write 1 3/4 as an improper fraction. Now let's take a look at this and show it a different way. Show how we can solve this a different way. I'm once again going to have 1 3/4. And what I'm really doing is I'm taking a look at my denominator, or my name of the fraction, which is 4, and I'm multiplying that times the whole number. So what I'm really doing is 4, because that's the number of parts, times 1. Because if I have a whole, that means that I have all 4 of those parts. So 4 times 1, and then I'm going to need to add the 3 parts in. So remember, these are all my number parts. All of that is going to be over the denominator, 4, because my denominator will not change. So now when I solve this, I end up with 4 plus 3 over 7, oops, I didn't mean that, over 4, which is 7/4. I get the same answer, but I'm solving it by multiplying my denominator and my whole number, and then adding that to the number part, or the numerator, in my fraction. Let's take a look at the mixed number 6 2/3. If I'm going to convert this into an improper fraction, I need to represent the 6 whole as part of the fraction. So my numerator is going to end up greater than my denominator. I know that it's out of a total number of 3 parts, or 3 is my naming part. 3, or our denominator, will remain the same. Now I have 6 whole. So that means that I have 6 whole means that each one of those 6 is in 3 parts. So I'm multiplying 6 times 3, my whole number times my denominator. And then I need to remember to add in my other number part. So my numerator of 2. Now when I solve, I'm going to do 6 times 3, which is 18, plus 2 over 3, or 20/3 would be how I would write that as an improper fraction. Let's try one more. Let's try 4 1/3. Once again, I'm going to take a look at my denominator, or my naming part. My name is going to stay the same. And I have to represent my 4 whole as an improper fraction. So if I have 4 whole and my denominator is 3, that means each one of those wholes is made up of 3 parts. So I'm solving for my whole number times my denominator times 3, and I want to add in my other number part, the 1/3 extra, so plus 1. I'm going to solve this, get 12 plus 1 over 3, and 4 and 1/3 as an improper fraction would be 13/3. Now you can go ahead and give a few a try on your homework.